Good morning, students. Welcome to the online class. This is the first online class of your sixth semester. In your sixth semester, you will be having a subject e-commerce, which I am going to teach you. What is e-commerce? E-commerce means electronic commerce. Full form of e-commerce is electronic commerce. Is a place or is the thing where the transaction means business transactions takes place via telecommunications, including the internet, including computer networks, including internet. Means electronic commerce describes the buying and selling of products, services and information via computer networks, including the internet. The infrastructure for e-commerce is networking computing environment in a business, home or in a government. E-business describes the broadest definition of e-commerce. Means what here? E-business means what? Doing a business electronically. That describes what is the subject actually. E-commerce deals with customer services and intra-business tasks. It is frequently used interchangeable with electronic commerce. This is just a definition I am saying. Let us take an example for e-commerce business. Nowadays we all are familiar with smartphones and we all are familiar with buying products online. How we will buy a product in online? Using many applications. Few of the applications we can take an example of Amazon, Flipkart, many are there. So if you are familiar with the process which you will do when you are ordering a product, when you are paying a bill and when you are receiving the product, the process which you involved in the process of buying that products deals with the subject only. Means if you are familiar with this subject, you are well familiar with that purchasing the products via online. If you are familiar with purchasing a product online, it is easy for you. Means this e-commerce subject deals with the all that topic only. So let us see the topics which will be covered in e-commerce now. Topics to be covered. Just introduction. Introduction is just I explained just now definition. What is the definition? That only business transactions via telecommunications. Means going and buying manually means it is a business. If you are buying something via online, it is e-commerce. Framework of e-commerce. Framework means what? How it is framed. Means what are the protocols and what are the networking models used in the framework of e-commerce. And consumer oriented e-commerce. Consumer oriented e-commerce means what? See, everyone will be doing business for satisfying consumer needs. Who is a consumer? One who utilize the product. Means customer. We call consumer as customer as well. Means who utilize the products which are manufactured by the company or which are sold by any e-commerce application, that are those we name that persons as consumers. We have this using this consumer oriented e-commerce. There are several aspects where we will see many strategies through which we can satisfy the consumer needs. And electronic data interchange. In short, we call this as a EDI. Means in this online payments, when you are going to buy a product, you have to pay via, how you will pay? Using your debit card or using your UPI number or many other net banking, many other ways are there for paying amount via online. There you will see when you are purchasing the product, when you are paying the amount to for that product, you will get a OTP. Means everything electronically data will be interchanging. So next is what? E-marketing techniques. To develop, see, establishing a business does not means it involves a lot of efforts, and to sustain for a long time, there should be a different marketing techniques and different strategies should be there for any organization to sustain for a long term. So this is all the topics which are there in your syllabus. Let us see in further classes topic by topic, so that you will come to know what is e-commerce and all the topics involved in it. It's very easy subject, so concentrate from beginning onwards so that you will get complete knowledge about e-commerce subject. Thank you. Today is just for introduction class. In the next class we will start the actual syllabus. Thank you for that.